which one is better? Buy a house and lot, then imo siyang parintahan, or you buy a lot and you build an apartment? My answer to that is magdepende na siya sa financial capability sa usa ka investor. Kung ikaw usa ka newbie without any experience, it is better to start buying a house and lot under a developer and use the three financing options. We have the Pag-ibig, we have the bank, and we have the in-house, and let your tenant pay for the monthly amortizations. While on the other hand, kung ikaw ang usa ka investor nga daghan na ka og experience, kibaw na ka sa pangitaon ng imuhang capitalizations, and you already know about rental property management, it's better to buy a lot and you build an apartment. The advantage of this one is ang iyang recoup or ang iyang bawi sa puhunan mas dali, mas duol. 3 years to 5 years, mabawi na nimo ang imuhang mga puhunan when you buy a lot and you build an apartment. But the disadvantage of that one is ang iyahang disposal. Why? Because income-generating properties is lisod siya i-dispose in a sense because not all people are really equipped of handling this kind of properties, kanang income-generating. While on the other hand, ang naka-advantage niya, when you try to dispose a property later on, mutaas ang iyahang appraisal value.